Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys automatic screen on problem guys. How can we solve? Friends, we want to solve guys your Infinix phone automatic screen problems. And how can we solve today guys? I will show you. I will tell you. So guys, when you pick up guys your phone guys, your screen on guys is automatic. Wait here guys. Like that get your screen on and off guys automatic in your Infinix phone device. Friends, you want to solve guys this screen on automatic problems. I mean, how can we solve today friends? I will show you. So friends, you will have to on guys your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it. Friends, you can see guys your phone this special function guys, tap here and friends click on guys this gesture setting. Friends, you can see guys this smart screen setting. So by mistake guys your screen, this smart screen is on. So friends, you will have to only tap on this right side icon. After that guys, your screen on automatic problem will solve guys. You can check guys, you can take your phone guys, you can pick up your phone, you can put your phone without on and off your screen. So like that guys, you can solve guys automatic screen on problem setting in your Infinix phone device. So bye guys.